And as those wildfires in California continue, we're seeing impacts across the world of sports as well. Local 5's Reina Garcia joins us with what sporting events have been impacted by this. Reina.
Well, Los Angeles is one of the biggest sports hubs in the country, and as you can imagine, several sporting events, including an NFL playoff game, have been in flux. Professional and collegiate teams in Southern California have been closely monitoring the deadly wildfires as firefighters and other emergency personnel work to combat them. So far, the NHL postponed the game between the Los Angeles Kings and Calgary Flames that was originally scheduled for last night. The NBA has followed suit, postponing tonight's game between the Lakers and the Charlotte Hornets. The women's basketball teams at Loyola Marymount and Pepperdine, two Los Angeles area universities, also pushed back their games tonight to a later date. The two teams are set to face one another on Saturday, but so far no decision has been made on whether it will go forward. One of the most high-profile games that could be affected is the NFC wildcard matchup between the Minnesota Vikings and the LA Rams. It's set to be played at SoFi Stadium in Inglewood on Monday night. The NFL issued a statement saying the game will be played as scheduled, but if it's determined to be unsafe, they will move the game to State Farm Stadium in Glendale, Arizona.